Welcome to driver training. In this video we're going to deal with Heathgates Roundabout as if coming from Monkmoor and following the signs to Halscott. Now unfortunately this is another case where the road markings don't actually match the road signs. So as we look at the road sign on the left, we can see Halscott is second exit, which is after 12 o'clock on that roundabout board. However, we've got to go by the road markings which designate it as straight ahead. Yes, I know it can be confusing. This is where some local knowledge really plays a part. So we look at the road markings in front of us, we see we've got left lane, middle lane and right lane. So we need the middle lane to go straight ahead, second exit. As we come up, having those cars there help, but they might not be there when we come for tests. So we imagine our white lines carrying on round. We see the left lane turns off left back towards the town centre. So we're keeping in the middle lane and heading round, staying close to the left curb. So we follow the left curb round. We now carry on round towards the next left curb, and that will keep us safely in our lane and make sure that we don't cross into the lane on our right. Now the only other thing to bear in mind as you come off Heathgates Roundabout, you'll be asked to continue to follow the road ahead. Well, if we look at the sign on our left, we see that it tells us that the traffic lights to go straight ahead is actually right hand lane. So as the road widens, we simply move across to the right, and there we've safely done Heathgates Roundabout. We hope this has helped you. Don't forget to leave us a comment, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for joining us. My name's Chris. Remember to drive safe and we'll see you soon.